Okay.
If you walk through, it's
Rainforest Cafe. This is-
bar, seating,
Your adventure begins here. Where's Aubrey? It's really cool. What do you think, Aubrey?
This place is sick.
This place is sick. Oh my god. What, Gerard? What do you think? Huh?
I know. But there's more animatronics. There's a real bug that.
It's a snake. Gel, on the top, the snake. Did you see the snake?
See? That one.
You scared? No, it's not real. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's gonna be a lot of work to put all this stuff. This looks like a jungle. Oh, there you go. Now. Oh, you start. Gerard, come over here. I start moving.
It's mouth.
its eyes are moving.
Wow, really, honey?
Yeah, 'cause, yeah, look at it. He can't get his eyes on you.
Wow.
When I was
yeah,
over
the
here, I
tree's
didn't even
moving.
move his eyes. It has nothing to do with me.
Maybe you're gonna tap like this.
Is the tree moving? No, I'll be lying. The tree does not move.
Oh, I got this choking.
Aubrey, what do you mean? The
It was,
tree-
it was moving.
I'm Aubrey Wario.
Where's Aubrey?
Oh, wait, I don't see the tree.
Oh, there's a lot of fish over here. I'm gonna show you guys. There's a big. Oh my god, there's a big fish. Ooh. There's a horn.
Gerald.
There's way cooler stuff in the actual restaurant.
Joe, where are you?
Come on,
Alright, let's go, baby. Ah, you want the tree move? No, did you see this one? This guy
Yeah,
moving?
I know.
There you go now. It's moving, you see? You see? Look at the mouth. It's moving too.
That's creepy.
Right?
Aubrey. Aubrey. Aubrey.
No, Aubrey already see it. Aubrey, did you say it, Aubrey? She saw it. Aubrey, come here. No, it's done.
I know.
It's
I've
over.
already seen it like 5 times.
Alright.